Hi, I am Navya, second MCA student in Kannur University. I am here to present my seminar on topic Overview of Planning in Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence or AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can think, reason and act intelligently, just like humans. One of the most important ability of an intelligent system is planning. In our daily lives, we often plan things like making a timetable, preparing a to-do list, or deciding how to complete a task efficiently. Similarly, an AI system also needs to plan ahead to reach its goal efficiently. Planning allows an AI agent to dictate what action to perform in what order and under what condition to achieve a specific goal. Without planning, an AI system would just react randomly without purpose or direction. The definition of planning AI: the process of selecting and organizing sequence of action that will transform a system from an initial state to desired goal state. It's a general definition of planning. In simpler words, planning is thinking before doing. It helps an AI agent to decide what step to take before actually performing them. For example, a robot plans to sequence of movement needed to reach a destination without hitting obstacles. A game plan playing a plan best move to defeat its opponent. Another example is a self-driving car plans its route and adjusts it. The next one is important of plan. Planning is very important in AI because it enables system to act purposefully rather than performing random actions, achieve goals efficiently with minimal effort and time, adapt to different situations and handle change intelligently, work autonomously, meaning without constant human control. In other words, planning gives an AI system the ability to analyze and decide and execute action in logic. There are four main components of planning system. A typical AI planning system consists of following key components. First one is initial state, the starting point or current condition of a system. Example, a robot start a location A. Second state is goal state, the target or desired condition to achieve. Example, the robot must reach a location B. Third one is action or operation, the set of possible action that a agent can perform to move from one state to another. For example, move forward, turn left, turn right. The last one is plan, the best sequence of action chosen to achieve the goal, like forward, right, forward or stop. The AI planner uses these components to determine the most efficient path from. The next one is type of planning in AI. There are different types of planning depending on the nature of the problem and environment. First one is classical plan. Work in fully non-static and deterministic environment. All action and outcomes are predictable. Example, STRIPS, Stanford Research Institute Problem Solver. Second planning method is hierarchical planning. Break down large and complex problem into smaller and manageable subtasks. Example, planning a journey, book ticket, pack bags, travel. Third one is conditional planning. Considers different possible situations or conditions that may arise. Example, if it rains, take an umbrella. If not, go without it. Fourth one is probabilistic planning, used when there is uncertainty in the environment. Example, a delivery drone planning routes when weather forecasts are uncertain. Last one, reactive planning. Focus on responding quickly to change rather than long-term pre-planning. For example, a robot vacuum. Next, the planning process. The process of planning generally involves 5 main steps. First one, problem definition. Identify the initial and goal state clearly. Second, presentation of action. Describe what action are possible, what their effect are, and what condition they require. Third, search for a plan. Use search algorithm like breadth first, depth first, or to find a suitable sequence of action. Fourth, plan execution. Perform planned action in real or simulated environment. Fifth, monitoring and replanning. Continuously check environment and modify plan if conditions change. Next one is application of planning in AI. Planning plays a major role in many fields of AI and real-world application. First one, robotics. Path and task planning for robotics such as manufacturing or delivering system. Game AI, decision making and strategy formulation for computer controlled character. Autonomous vehicle, route planning and obstacle avoidance for self-driving cars. Logistic and scheduling, planning routes, deliveries and resource management in transport and supply chain system. Spain, space exploration, robot like NASA's Mars rovers plan their own movement and task without real-time human control. Healthcare, AI system plan, treatment schedule and advantages of planning in AI. Promote goal-oriented behavior. Enable faster and more accurate decision making. Reduce human involvement by automating complex tasks. Allowing system to operate efficiently in dynamic and complex environments. Improve research and resource management and optimization. The challenges in AI planning. Despite its advantages, planning in AI faces several challenges. First one, uncertain and dynamic environment. Real world situations often change unexpectedly. Second, computational complexity. Large problems require huge research space and time. Third, incomplete knowledge. The system may not have full information about the environment. Fourth, real-time constraints. In some applications, plans must be generated instantly. 5. Integration with learning. Combining the planning with AI learning model like reinforcement learning is still an even involving area. The researchers are continuously developing a new algorithm and model to make planning faster. The conclusion of topic. To conclude, planning in artificial intelligence is a vital process that enables machine to connect thinking and action. It helps AI system make intelligent decisions, choose effective action, and adapt to changing environment. The planning not only improve efficiency but also move an AI closer to true autonomous intelligence, where system can reason, plan, and act just like human. With continuous progress in AI and machine learning, planning systems are become more powerful, flexible, realistic, opening new possibilities for robotics, automation, and